Hello students, myself Sagar Choksi from LJ Institutes of Engineering and Technology. So in last session we have started a new concept that related to control charts, and we have already completed X bar and R chart that basically related to variable chart. So in today's session we are going to discuss about attribute chart that related to P chart. So in today's session we are going to discuss about steps to find out P chart, and number 2 it's numerical. Okay, so let's start the lecture number 32 that related to control chart in bracket P chart. Okay, so let's start the lecture. So first of all, types of control chart. So there are mainly 4 types of control chart: X bar and R chart, number 2 that is P chart, third one that is NP chart, and fourth one that is C chart. Okay, so in last session we have already completed X bar and R chart. So let's start P chart concept. So here I have attached steps to find out, steps to draw P chart. Okay, so step number 1, calculate fraction defective that indicate P bar. Okay, so here I have attached one equation that related to fraction defective. So P bar is equal to number of defective unit in each lot inspected divided by number of unit in the lot. Okay, so in this way you can calculate fraction defective P bar. So number 2, second and important step that related to upper control limit and lower control limit. Okay, that related to UCL and LCL. So calculate control limit for P chart. UCL that is equal to P bar plus 3 under root of P bar into 1 minus P bar divided by N. So here P bar that is equal to fraction defective that we have already find out in step number 1. So you can easily find out UCL that indicate upper control limit. So now lower control limit, LCL that is equal to P bar minus 3 under root of P bar in bracket 1 minus P bar divided by N. Okay, so in this way you can calculate UCL and LCL. There are mainly 2 steps. Okay, in P chart there are mainly 2 steps. First step that related to defective, fraction defective P bar, and number 2 that related to control limits. Okay, so let's start the numerical that related to P chart. So here following are the reading of bulb manufacturing company for the last 12 days. Draw P chart and express the opinion for the process. Okay, so here I have attached 3 columns. First column that related to number of days, number 2 that related to number of inspected bulb, and number 3 that related to number of defective bulb. Okay, so here there are 12 days. On day number 1, okay, day number 1 there are 59 number of inspected bulb, and out of 59 there are 4 number of defective bulb are given. Okay, on day number 2 there are 102 number of inspected bulb, and out of 102 there are 12 number of defective bulb are given. Okay, same as on day number 3 there are 48 number of inspected bulb are given, and out of 48 there are 6 number of defective bulb are given. So as day number 12 there are 86 number of inspected bulb are given, and out of 86 there are 5 number of defective bulb are given. So calculate from day number 1 to day number 12. Okay, so number of inspected bulb from day number 1 to day number 12, that is 1067. 59 plus 102 plus 48 plus 130 up to 86. So there are 1067 total quantity that is inspected. Okay, so on the another hand, 115 quantity number of defective bulb is equal to 115. From day number 1 to day number 12, number of defective bulb that is equal to 4 plus 12 plus 6 plus 18 plus 8 up to 5. So that is equal to 115. So for day number 1, from day number 1 to day number 12, there are 1067 number of inspected bulb are given, and out of 1067 there are 115 quantity that is defective. Okay, so in this way we can find out number of inspected bulb and number of defective bulb. So now you need to find out UCL and LCL, and you have to draw P chart. Okay, so move forward to next slide. Is here total number of inspected bulb from day number 1 to day number 12, that is equal to 1067. Okay, so now you need to find out fraction defective. First step is P bar. Okay, first step is you need to calculate fraction defective index, P bar. Okay, so first of all you need to find out P. Okay, P is equal to number of defective bulb upon number of inspected bulb. So on day number 1 there are 59 quantity, and out of 59 there are 4 quantity that is having some defect. So P is equal to 4 divided by 59. So you will get P is equal to 0.068. Okay, so similarly for other we can get fraction defective as given in the table. Okay, similarly you will get P for day number 2, that is equal to 0.118, on day number 3 that is equal to 0.125, up to 12 that is equal to 0.058. So in this way, first step you need to calculate P. After that you need to find out P bar. Okay, so now what you have to do, so move forward to next slide. Next and important one, that is P bar. P bar, that is equal to number of defective unit in each lot inspected divided by number of unit in the lot. Okay, so P bar, that is equal to, there are 1067 quantity that is inspected, and out of 1067 there are 115 quantity that is having some defect. So P bar, that is equal to 115 divided by 1067. So in this way we can calculate P bar is equal to 0.1077. So now you need to find out UCL, upper control limit, and lower control limit for P chart. Okay, so here now you need to find out UCL and LCL. So UCL, that is equal to P bar plus 3 under root of P bar into 1 minus P bar divided by N. So P bar, that we have already find out in step number 1. Put the value of P bar here is equal to 0.1077 plus 3 under root of 0.1077 in bracket 1 minus 0.1077 divided by 1067, and that is equal to 1067 number of unit in the lot. So UCL, that is equal to 0.1361. So in this way you can calculate UCL, that is equal to 0.1361. So now what you have to do, you need to calculate LCL, that indicate lower control limit. So LCL, that is equal to P bar minus 3 under root of P bar into 1 minus P bar divided by N. Put the value of P bar here. P bar, that is equal to 0.1077 minus 3 under root of 0.1077 in bracket 1 minus 0.1077 divided by 1067. So in this way you can calculate LCL, that is equal to 0.07929. Okay, so now in this way you can calculate the upper control limit and lower control limit for P chart. Okay, there are basically 2 steps. Okay, first step that related to P chart, or you can take P bar, fraction defective, and number 2 that related to upper control limit and lower control limit. Now step number 3, an important step, that is how to draw P chart. Okay, so move forward to next slide. So how to draw P chart? So here on x axis I have attached number of days. Okay, there are 12 days, 1, 2, 3 up to 12, and on y axis there are fraction defective. So on day number 1 you have already find out 0.068. So plot 0.068. Number 2, that is 0.118. So plot 0.118. On day number 3 there are 0.125. So plot 0.125. On day number 4 plot 0.138. So point out 0.138. Same as on day number 12 0.058. So plot 0.058. So in this way you can calculate UCL and LCL. And so now what you have to do, from starting day number 1 to day number 12, connect all the data and you will easily get this graph. Okay, so in this way we can draw this graph and we can easily calculate UCL, LCL and fraction defective index. So thank you so much. In this particular lecture we have completed P chart concept. Okay, So in next session, we will discuss about NP chart. Okay, so thank you so much.